Are you looking for clean, stable, and safe proxies to register and farm accounts without getting flagged or banned? Let me introduce you to 9Proxy, a premium proxy service trusted by pros for account management, automation, and scaling without risk. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up, set it up the right way, and get an exclusive discount today. Don't miss it. First, go to the 9Proxy website by clicking the link below this video, or simply search 9Proxy on Google. You'll see a variety of proxy packages. Whether you're scraping data, automating tasks, or just browsing anonymously, there's a plan made for you. Remember, the more proxies you buy, the better the price per unit. So choose wisely based on your needs. Now, let's create an account. You can sign up in seconds using your Google account or register with an email. Pro tip: enter my referral code during sign up to support this channel and get a special discount. You help me and save money. Win-win. Once registered, go to your dashboard, scroll down, and download the software. It works on most computers and installs in a breeze. Now you're almost ready to go full throttle online. Next, head over to the pricing section. Pick a package that fits your workflow. When checking out, choose your favorite payment method. They support multiple options for your convenience. And before you hit pay, don't forget to use the discount code 9Proxy to get 5% off instantly. Who doesn't love a sweet deal, right? You're all set. Just like that, you're now powered by 9Proxy, the tool trusted by thousands for faster, smarter, safer browsing. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips like this one. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone personally. Click here to get started with 9Proxy. Watch this next. Best proxy use cases for marketers and developers. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.